welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Guys, today I'll be going to Landmark Beach here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I want you guys to come with me to the beach here in Lagos. It was a lovely Sunday afternoon. We decided to go to the beach, Landmark Beach to be precise. And yeah, on our way, we had this lovely catch-up. Me and Hanatu were gisting and we were taking a lovely ride to the beach, and the kids were behind. They were so excited and they were looking forward. So this is what the entrance of Landmark Beach looks like. Once you get in, you try to find a place to park while you get your tickets from the ticket stand. So this is the area where you get your tickets. We actually paid online, and now we are here to pick up tickets. Careful, oh, careful. Are you ready? Hi. So this was just right after we got our bags checked, and yeah. Where am I smooth operator? Okay, let's snap
Everybody
pictures.
come.
Let's snap pictures. I don't see that we are at Landmark. So we just arrived Landmark. Come with me. Let's go. The weather was nice, everywhere looked really good, and everybody seemed to be so excited to be here. We just got here and the beach is like pretty scanty. Eh? Are you serious? It's true? Or? I didn't. Say hi now. Say something, honey. Hi. We should come and sit. Let me make a video of the water pushing you. The kids absolutely love it here, and that is why we always love to go to the beach like at least every 6 months. So, Mama, you stole my earring. Oh, where is it? My ear. Thank you. Let me hold it for you. Let me go and keep it inside. As a mom, you coming to the beach with your kids, trust me, you're not coming to the beach for yourself. You're not going to have no fun. You're just going to be a bodyguard, and you're just going to be all over the place. No peace of mind because you're scared of the water, you're scared of everything. So honestly, it was a lovely day, but not for me, more for the kids. They had so much fun, and you know, I'm glad they're happy. But then again, as a parent, you're not coming to the beach for yourself. You're coming as a bodyguard because you're not gonna have fun, because you're scared. Like, you don't want the kids to go near the water. You don't want anything to happen. So yeah, pretty much that's just my beach experience here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.